So I've been using the DentalVibe for about 7 years now, and it's a true game changer. I use it on 99% of my patients. Recently, I learned how to even enhance its already spectacular results, and that is by making sure the vibrating tip stays near the tissue for about 30 seconds before you introduce the needle. And then you spend about 30 seconds delivering the anesthesia, take the needle away, leave it for another 5 seconds, and then remove the vibration tip. So, little demo here. All right. Doing a mental block here, mentalis block. All right, that's about 30 seconds. I'm going to introduce the needle about 3 millimeters from one of the prongs. Delivering the anesthesia. Remove the needle. Let another 5 seconds go by. Voila, that's it. Did you feel any pain, any issue at all?
No.
Very good.